Welcome to the fascinating world of computers quiz video, where your curiosity meets technology. This video has been designed to test your knowledge about computers, from basic components to advanced concepts. Grab a pen and paper, and let's jump right into the world of computing. The screen lights up with a vibrant montage of computer gadgets and software icons. Welcome Text appears, inviting viewers to enjoy a fun learning experience. A voiceover introduces the topic. Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, let's embark on a journey into the realm of computers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned IT pro, this quiz is perfect for discovering more about the fascinating machines we use every day. The screen displays simple rules. How does it work? Asks the voiceover. You'll see a question on the screen, and you'll have a few seconds to think about the answer. Don't worry if you're unsure. This is about learning and fun. Be sure to write down your responses. At the end of the quiz, we'll reveal all the answers. Ready, set, go! The first question pops up in big, bold letters. What is the brain of a computer called? Various options hover around. A. Memory. B. Motherboard. C. CPU. D. Hard drive. The voiceover gently guides viewers to think about it. Consider what processes all the instructions given to a computer. While viewers ponder, the video shifts to a brief explainer about the CPU, showing a diagram illustrating how it works. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is where all the magic happens, the voiceover reveals. It's often referred to as the brain of the computer because it handles all instructions that we give to the computer. What does RAM stand for in computing? Appears next with a countdown timer. Options include A. Ready access memory. B. Run along memory. C. Random access memory. D. Rapid action memory. A hint. Think about the type of memory that allows computers to quickly access data. A short animation depicts how RAM works, highlighting its role in speeding up processes and allowing multitasking. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is crucial for computer speed and performance, explains the voiceover. Which company introduced the first personal computer? Challenges viewers, listing options. A. IBM. B. Microsoft. C. Apple. D. Xerox. A historical image of old computers and industry pioneers is displayed as the voiceover encourages. This was a breakthrough event in technology history. The screen fills with confetti as the answers are revealed. Congratulations on completing the quiz. Here are the correct answers. 1 C, 2 C, 3 A. We hope you enjoyed learning about computers with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing quizzes. The screen displays links to other videos and a reminder to join our community of tech lovers. Stay curious, explore, and see you next time, concludes the voiceover cheerfully. End credit rolls with upbeat music and a preview of the next thematic quiz video.